Hello and welcome back to another How To Bloke. You probably saw what was wrong there. One of these lights is not working. So, camera person, show that one over there. And show you the same one over there. So, we've got the sidelights not working on this thing, right? So we need to fix it. Right, fix it. This is easy one. Easy, better than the other ones I've done with the headlamps and stuff. So, watch this. Okay. So, for this you're going to need a torch perhaps. And, camera person, if you go over there and shoot down here please. Right, so. You need to look at it from here. That's it, you need to see that. Right, this is the cover for the headlamp, for the headlamp, the main beam cover, right? That's the one for the dip beam. This is with the headlamp. So you've got to pull this dust cover off like that. Don't drop it down there because it's a right old fuss. Now, we're not doing the headlamp bulb today, we're doing the sidelight bulb. And that is down here. Let me come over here, camera person. You'll see those little cluster of wires there. See that? Yep. Now that, you've got to put your fingers in there. It's better for you to have a torch as well. And you get, it's like a little black or grey plastic bayonet thing, and when you put a little tug on it, it doesn't screw out, it just pulls out. That's what you get. Okay? So that's what you get. So you unpull it, just pulls out like that, and then this is called a capless bulb because it's got no, normally they have a cap on it, right? Now we're going to test this. I mean, I can see from here, you probably can't see, but I can see from here that the filament is broken. So we'll give this a quick test anyway. So you put it on the continuity bit where it tests the continuity of a circuit. Okay, so there's continuity there. So I've got some other bulbs. I couldn't find a brand new one, so I've searched around for a second-hand one. Another one. I don't have a brand new one, so let's try this one anyway. So it doesn't matter which way around it goes. No, that's dead. That's finished. So we'll try this one. This one here. They're all 5 watts, by the way. These ones. Oh, we've got continuity there. So that's proved to work. That's a 5 watt. But this one here, this is kind of like a fancy one I bought for the motorcycle. It's blue. I don't know why it's blue. That one still works. But we'll go with the one we found here. That one looks okay. Now, if you've got one that's working, that's coloured like that, it's not some sort of custom colouring. That bulb is on its way out. Okay, so don't use that one. Use the one that's clear, that's working, or clearest. Right. So go back in here, camera person. Right. So we're faced with that thing there. So this thing slots in there. Doesn't screw. Doesn't nothing. Just goes straight in, like this. Tack. Okay, now you can see that's working. Now, warning, these lamps get hot very quickly, so if you want to go and touch that again now, that would be hot. So watch your fingers. So we're going to push that back in there, in the hole it came from. And again, the torch is useful because you can see what you're doing. Right, so that just clicks in there like that. Lovely jubbly. Now have a look around the front, camera person. Now you can see it's working. I'll show you the other one. Right, so there you go. There's nothing to it really, was it? Not as much as difficulty as the other two, the headlamp and the dip beam. So anyway, hope you found it useful. I've got let me see, cooking here, DIY here, quick tips here, and if you want to subscribe to me, is down there. Also, I've got a Renault Scenic Phase 3 playlist thing that you might want to look at. So I'll leave a link in the description below. So until next time.